Targeting United States audience in YouTube is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can specifically or specially target the United States audience for your YouTube channel. So for that, you have to go to your, obviously, YouTube studio and let me tell you how you guys can clearly target the United States audience. So there's no hack that you can use to target the United States audience. So how can you target United States audience then? Now the answer is you can target that audience by trying to copy or trying to create the content that is more consumed on that region. For example, in the United States, the kids watch a lot of Fortnite videos. If you will create Fortnite videos, it will be more consumed in the side of United States region. So you just have to create more of the content that is consumed in United States. You have to try to copy the styles. So you just have to try to mimic the United States content as much as possible. Just because it totally depends upon YouTube algorithm. So if the YouTube algorithm will totally analyze your video, forward the videos to the audience which wants to watch that kind of videos. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can target the United States audience for your YouTube channel. Hope you guys find this video helpful.